thank you guys so much for watching. Today I am doing a clean with me video and I'm really excited because this video is sponsored by O-Cedar. And if you guys have been watching my videos from even like 6 years ago, I have been mopping, doing my mop dance with O-Cedar products, so I'm really excited. Thank you so much to O-Cedar for sponsoring and collaborating with me on this video. So let's go ahead and get started, you guys. Also stay tuned till the very end so that you guys can win this ultimate clean team giveaway. One of the rules is to follow O-Cedar on Instagram. I will have all the details down below in the information box, but let's go over all the O-Cedar products and how we're going to use them to clean our house. So let's go ahead and get started with this clean with me video. I'm going to first use the O-Cedar PowerCorner broom and dustpan, and I like to do that because I like to dust every crumb, all the dirt off the floor before I even mop. And the kitchen is the place where we get the most crumbs because I'm always cooking and chopping things up, and then the kids are always eating, you know, like little crackers, and the crumbs get everywhere. I love that the O-Cedar PowerCorner broom and dustpan pulls dirt from every corner, leaving no area untouched and nothing lost when sweeping the dirt into the dustpan. It also has a dual bristle technology for virtually one-pass cleaning, as well as the anti-static dustpan. So here I am. I'm just gonna go ahead and sweep underneath the table because that's where I find all of the crumbs. I even found construction paper. Liam is so funny. He just likes doing art lately. So yeah, there I went and I got a little bit more, and I got the floor as nice and ready to mop. And so now I'm using the O-Cedar EasyWring spin mop and bucket system. If you guys have been watching me forever, you know this girl has been doing the mop dance for over 6 years. So I filled it up all the way to the max, and then you add your favorite mop solution that you want to add, and then I want to show you what it does. So you guys see how it features a deep cleaning spin mop with reusable and washable microfiber mop heads, and you can replace it every 3 months. So you just, you know, dip it into the water, and then it is so cool because the bucket makes it easy to wring the mop hands free. You're using the foot pedal so the mess stays in the bucket. I love it. Mopping is fun. You guys know I have loved mopping forever, so I'm just really excited to be mopping. And you know, mopping, I would say, is kind of like a workout because it's fun. You get, you know, a little warmed up when you're cleaning. You can play your favorite music. So when you guys clean, what do you guys like to do? Because when I clean, I like to play music and just like listen to the music while I'm cleaning. It gets me in a really nice mood, and I feel like, yes, I can do this. This is fun. And you guys know cleaning is my hobby, so it's not like it's a big deal to mop, and this just makes it so fun and easy. So here I am mopping the kitchen floors. And did you see how I can mop even underneath the cabinets in every little corner? By the way, I wanted to mention all of the O-Cedar products that I mentioned is available at Amazon or your local retailer. I'm going to link the Amazon links in the information box if you guys are interested. Definitely worth the purchase. I love cleaning, and this makes my house so easy to clean. So after mopping and moving the chairs, I'm going to go ahead and work on the living room now. And I put the chairs back into the dining room area, and here I am working on the living room. And then we have a little space with like a carpet, so I'm just gonna work around it. And sometimes I like to lift a little bit of the carpet to mop inside of there. So yeah, as you can see, my mop did get pretty dirty. Do you guys see that? Yeah, I had a lot of fun and I love it. I don't know what it is, but I like seeing that I got it dirty, which means I did a really good job mopping my floors. And you can even remove the heads, and it's washable. You can pop that in the machine and wash it. So this is the ProMist Max Microfiber Spray Mop. It is dual-sided that flips 180 degrees so you can clean faster, and it has a really soft handle. If you guys can see, I'm just squeezing it. It just feels really good. I wanted to mention that feature. So what you do is you remove the bottle, and then you fill it up with 2 teaspoons of your favorite cleaner, and then you fill the bottle up with water, and now you're ready to use it. So you just easily put it back. It just like, you kind of just like hear a snap and you know it's secured in there and you're ready to clean the floors. You just squeeze that and then a mist comes out of the solution and the water together and you are ready to clean your floors. I love it. It's so fun, you guys. And you know what it is? Like, because I love cleaning so much, my boys have started to love cleaning. Like, they see me cleaning and they want to join in. It's just a fun family activity now, especially my son Jakey, my younger one. He's 2. He loves cleaning with me. So here I am just cleaning the floors, and I love, like I mentioned, I love that it's machine washable. You just lay it out to dry after you clean it with on warm. And I love that you don't need fabric softener or bleach to clean it, and you just refill it every 3 months. And I also like that it's not like disposable mop pads, like you don't have to throw it away. I love that I'm just reusing it, and that saves me money, and it also reduces waste. So I just wanted to show you a little close-up of that mist. How fun is that? This one is really awesome. It's just so easy, and like I showed you guys earlier, it does that 180-degree flip, so it makes it easier to go ahead and like clean. So like once one side gets really dirty, you can use the other side, and it's really easy to remove and wash, like I mentioned. Yeah, so we're almost done, you guys. Totally almost done. But first, we gotta clean up the toys, tidy up the living room a little bit. You know, but the floors are so shiny, so clean right now, and all I have to do is tidy up a little bit in the living room, and downstairs is good to go, you guys. I am ready to relax. Oh wait, before I go ahead and relax, I wanted to remind you guys of the giveaway, the Ultimate Clean Team giveaway. We're gonna give these away, and all you have to do is follow O-Cedar on Instagram as part of an entry for the giveaway, and the rest of the details will be in the information box below. But I wish you guys all the best of luck, and thank you friends so much for watching, and links to the O-Cedar products will be down below. Bye friends!